Hey, what's up, y'all? So I'm doing the unboxing of my machine. I just got it today, so I'm excited. And I decided to get another sewing machine. My other machine I'm still fixing it. It's at the shop, and that's why I decided to get a second one. So waiting on the other machine. That's one. And because I had issues with the other sewing machine, it took me one day just to do one shirt. So I thought it would be best if I just get two machines. So that way, if one is causing a problem, or or I could get a lot done in one day. So I bought this. Is at a great price right now. It's $2,400, less than $2,400 right now, and it has 4 hoops. So I'm gonna open it right now. Okay, it comes with instructional DVD. See what this embroidery editor. That's nice. I wonder if it works on the Mac. I will find out. But I do have a PC anyway. Okay, so I guess this is the machine cover for the embroidery machine. And the hoop. So this is supposed to be a 7 by 11, and that's a good decent size hoop. So those comes with tools, oil for the machine, embroidery needles. See the tools. Some bobbin cases. So that's cool. I don't know what's this for. I don't know what this is for. Okay. UPS cord for the computer. Plugs for the machine. Okay, this I don't know what that's for. I think it's for the hoop. Okay. I don't know what size this is. This looks like, I don't know. Looks like this is supposed to be 7.9 by 7.9, almost an 8 by 8 hoop. Okay, and this is like a 5 by 5 hoop, and this is a 5 by 7 hoop. So I don't have to worry about hoops. So that's great. That's why I got this machine, because it had 4 hoops, and my other embroidery, I had to buy extra hoops for it. Okay, so I'm gonna take it out the box. Okay. This is the table first. Oh, it's as heavy as the other one. So see if you can see it. If I saw it. So there you have it. That's the machine I have right now. Yeah, so I'm gonna set it up, and I guess that's about it. So I'm excited that I got this machine, so can't wait to try it out. I'll see y'all later. Bye.